Hey folks, if you've ever wanted to make your Webflow project more dynamic and efficient, today's tutorial is for you. We're going to walk through how to edit components inside Webflow, which means you'll be able to tweak reusable parts of your website like buttons, nav bars, or footers with ease. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident editing components so that your changes automatically update across your whole site, saving a ton of time and keeping everything consistent. Let's jump in. Alright, so you're in your Webflow designer and you see a component you want to update. Maybe you want to change the color of a button, swap out some text in a testimonial module, or refresh the look of your site's header. First things first, locate the component on your canvas. Now it can be tempting to just double-click right away, but hold off for a second. Instead, give that component a single click, just one, not a double. Why does this matter? Well, in Webflow, a single click selects the entire component as one object. But if you double-click by mistake, you might end up selecting individual elements inside the component, which means you'll be editing that specific instance instead of the master component itself. And what we want right now is to make a change that flows through every instance site-wide. So one click is all you need. Just think of it like picking up the master blueprint, not just drawing on a single copy. Once you've got your component selected, look towards the upper right corner of your Webflow designer. You should see a button labeled Edit Component. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see it right away, try making sure the layer is fully selected on your canvas or in your Layers panel. Sometimes it takes a second to appear. Don't worry if it's a little elusive at first. After you click Edit Component, you'll notice that the rest of your project kind of fades into the background. Webflow puts you into a special editing mode just for this component. Think of this as your dedicated workspace for making global changes. It's like stepping into the control room where you can make updates that ripple out across your whole site. Now here where the magic happens. With the edit mode open, you can change whatever you need about the component. Maybe you want to tweak the padding, swap out an icon, or adjust the font size across all your product cards, for example. Any edits you make here will automatically update every single instance of this component wherever it's used. So instead of hunting down 10 different buttons on 10 different pages, you're making that change once and letting Webflow do all the heavy lifting. Take your time here, don't rush. Play around, preview your changes, and when you're happy with how everything looks, just click Done or exit out of the editing mode. All those updates will sync across your site like magic. And honestly, that's it. Editing components in Webflow is all about selecting the component with a single click, finding that Edit Component button in the corner, making your changes, and letting Webflow do the hard work of updating every instance for you. Once you get the hang of this workflow, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or ran into any roadblocks. I always love helping out. And if you want more practical Webflow tips just like this, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy building.